Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to RS Textile Live. And today I'm showcasing you beautiful Pakistani or three-piece set collection that you can see me wearing also. And these are very nice and affordable collection, to be very honest. These are also very premium piece, but available at a very lower rate. Something that you can wear all season, be it winters, be it summers, be it any time you can wear this. So stop doing this. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first suit which I'll be showcasing you today is a cotton made suit, and this is basically a texture fabric. The fabric is really soft, non-transy. It is made out of complete hand woven design. As you can see, there is Pakistani 3D design on the entire side. On this side also there is a Pakistani design. Plus on the sleeve there is, like, this kind of detailing with the cut work design. Plus on the border also there is this kind of design, and there is bottom also which is given. On the border we have, like, cut work, and this comes with a cotton dupatta, which is a cotton dupatta but heavy, completely goes with it. Okay, the size of this is 40 and 42. I need to tell you the price, so just give me a moment. All right, so you can take a screenshot till then, and the price is very affordable. I think 1750 would be the price if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 1750 is the price for this gray color suit. Sizes 40 and 42. So do screenshot and place it on our website or WhatsApp us. Okay, so the next suit which I'm gonna be showcasing you is this one. Now the suit, it doesn't generally look like a cotton suit because it is quite heavy to made in a cotton, but since we are good at making suits which are in cotton but doesn't look like one, so this is one of them. Available color is purple. It has this beautiful detailing, all made out of thread work, and doesn't really look like cotton. It's like a party wear, something that you can wear in summers also, something that you can wear in winters also. On the sleeve we are having these kind of embroidery detailing. This is quite heavy, non-transy again. It comes with a very nice dupatta which is completely printed. The fabric is crepe fabric of the dupatta, and this is the look. Crepe, is a heavy and premium fabric, so it stays on your body. You doesn't need to, like, pin much. And this comes with a cotton pant. I have this in two colors. One is this purple and the other one is a green color. This is again priced at 1750 only. Two colors are available, so do take a screenshot of this also. Let me tell you the sizes for purple and green both. So for the green I have 40, 42, 44, and for the purple I have 42 and 44. So this is 40 large, 42 XL, 44 double XL. This is 40 and 42, which is 42 and 44, which is XL and double XL only. Okay, so do take a screenshot if you like this design, and I'm moving on to the next one. Okay, so the next one I have is a very beautiful anarkali design in Pakistani look. This is the next design, made out of georgette. It's a heavy piece. It has this, three-piece style suit where you will be getting these kind of design like an anarkali with kali design here. There would be a front slit. पूरा लेस से काम रहेगा. यहाँ पे सामने में आपको पूरा इस तरीके का काम मिलेगा. साथ में इस तरीके से आपको पूरा बटन डिटेलिंग मिलेगा. On the sleeves we are having these kind of lace work. It comes with a designer pant, so the designer pant also having a very beautiful design, and it comes with a chiffon dobby dupatta. It sizes in 40 and 42 size. The price is again going to be very affordable even for this. 40 and 42 size वाले ये जो piece है ले सकते हो आराम से. If you want, a fusion design with you, and you are always wearing something straight cut like this, which is very usual look, so you want something different, then this is a good piece. क्योंकि it's a fusion wear in Pakistani, so it's again a very beautiful piece. 1750 is the price for this three-piece set. 1750 रहेगा. And if you like this, do take a screenshot and book this. Next suit, which I'm moving on to, a very expensive Turkish cotton fabric, which I have in this white color. Okay, and this is, one side is printed, one side has a 3D crochet type of work, and the fabric is really nice. It's a completely textured cotton fabric and 100% non-transy, and the back is also completely having work. This is something I can't make you understand. I have seen personally, I wouldn't name them, but these suits are being sold for 4,000, 4,500. Same fabric, same design, same brand, everything. Fabric, pant is stretchable, white color, and this is chiffon pure. Okay, this fabric is also pure. The cotton fabric which I'm showcasing you is pure. Even the dupatta is also made out of pure fabric. It has complete embroidery on the shirt. This is sized at 38 and 40 size. Okay, 38 and 40 size is there for this suit. And I know our prices are always very affordable, so I am not expecting anything but 2500. Yeah, so 2500 रुपए है सूट का प्राइस. And again, this is very affordable because the quality is something which is not available for 2500 anywhere. This is so damn worth it. Okay, next suit which I'll showcase you is a off-white color suit, completely made out of handwork. It has this beautiful detailing, as you can see. मोती कटदाना एंड स्टोन से पूरा सूट बना हुआ है इस तरीके के. इवन अगर आप इसके स्लीव्स में भी देखो तो पूरा इस तरीके से डिजाइन बना हुआ है. एंड इट हैज दिस वेरी नाइस 38 एंड 40 साइज में है. स्ट्रेट पैंट्स है इस तरीके का डिजाइनर. इसके साथ साथ मैं फोन रखती हूँ, फोन के साथ दिखाना बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए. And it has this beautiful printed dupatta which is having these kind of prints. Okay, size is 38 and 40 size. The price of this design I'll tell you just. This is priced at only 2000 rupees. Okay, please consider this is a full handwork design. Not a single piece is made out of computer, so that is why it is 2000 only. And 38 and 40 sizes there for this design. Complete handwork detailing. Next I have, this is called Alia suit, right? Alia Bhatt has worn something like this, so this design or this cut has been named as Alia cut. So this Alia cut suit is made out of muslin printed fabric which is having these kind of design on the neckline, and on the waistline also there is work. And these are all real mirrors. Okay guys, real mirror which is covered with thread so that it doesn't budge you on your skin. It has ghair also, so ghair is completely printed, so as the back would be completely printed with ghair. Dupatta also you can see, dupatta is very beautiful. It has contrast pants also in straight cut. Sizes available 38 and 40. And इसका भी प्राइस मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. The price of the Alia cut suit is only 1650. 1650 रुपए में मिल रहा है. ठीक है, size is 38 and 40. Next up I have a very premium piece. Now this piece is basically made out of viscose organza, which is always a premium fabric, mostly used and sold for 3500 4000 के रेट में. वही वाली फैब्रिक में ये बना हुआ है. It comes with a very nice design on the neckline, all lace work, very simple. नीचे काफी चौड़ा सा आपको बॉर्डर मिलेगा. एंड इसके जो स्लीव्स रहेंगे, इसके स्लीव्स पे भी आपको काफी अच्छी डिटेलिंग मिलेगी. ठीक है, इट कम्स ऑल्सो विथ अ वेरी नाइस दुपट्टा. So the dupatta is available in print option, and it comes with the same color pant. The size is 36 and 38. For this one, the price I'll tell you. 1750 only for this entire 3-piece set. Next, the one which I am wearing, it's a again georgette suit रहेगा. फुल्ली चिकनकारी जैसा इसमें थ्रेड वर्क है एम्ब्रॉयडरी का, जो चिकनकारी जैसा दिखता है, चिकनकारी नहीं है. और उसके ऊपर सारा मोती का काम किया हुआ है. इसके साथ सेम कलर का पैंट प्लस एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड दुपट्टा भी रहेगा, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, वो भी शिफॉन फैब्रिक में. दिस इज द पीस. आई शोकेस यू फ्रॉम फ्रंट. सी, पूरा इसमें जो है आपको इस तरीके से काम किया हुआ आ रहा है. And it looks very beautiful. It also has these kind of embroidery on the dupatta, and it comes with a pant जो कि इस तरीके का सेम कलर में अवेलेबल है. साइजेस आर 36, 38, 40. मैंने इसका 36 साइज पहना हुआ है. आई हैव 36, 38 and 40 साइज इन दिस. And the price is again 1750 for this entire piece, which I'm also wearing. And you can see this, and it has cotton lining inside. To be very honest, this is something, the fabric is almost pure. It's 90% georgette, so this is something you will enjoy wearing even in summers also. Lovely piece. Next up, I have this beautiful cotton suit in color yellow, something that is best for this season because a lot of shadi is happening, lot of functions are there. And if you want to wear something in puja, occasion, function, haldi, mehendi, kahin pe bhi pehan sakte ho. The entire neckline is having beautiful handwork and thread work. It comes with a sleeve design like this. It is printed. In the border also it is printed. The dupatta is matching. So the dupatta is also fully printed. दिस इज द लुक ऑफ द दुपट्टा एंड द दुपट्टा इसकी जान है, यू नो, आपको दुपट्टे के साथ इसको पहनना है, ये बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. इट्स अ ट्रेडिशनल वेरी नाइस दुपट्टा. इट कम्स विद अ स्ट्रेट पैंट जिसमें भी ऐसे बॉर्डर का काम है. इट्स अ वेरी लवली पीस. अगर आप इसमें सर में फ्लावर लगा के यू नो प्रॉपरली ज्वेलरी के साथ इसको पहनो ना, ये बहुत सुंदर है. इसका कलर भी मस्टर्ड येलो कलर है, बहुत प्यारा पीस है. साइज मिलेगा 38 एंड 40 एंड द प्राइस इज ओनली 1500. 1500 रुपए का रहेगा. 1500. ओके. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल जॉर्जेट व्हाइट कलर Pakistani suit, which is this one. It has this beautiful neckline which is made out of lace. Flowers are there which are completely embellished with kardana and motis. On this side also there are embroideries. There is border. Border पे आपको इतना सुंदर सा आपको काम मिल रहा है. इसके स्लीव जो है, पूरे स्लीव्स में इस तरीके की आपको डिटेलिंग मिलेगी. स्लीव्स में यहाँ पे पूरा काम मिलेगा. इसका जो पैंट्स रहेगा वो स्ट्रेट इस तरीके की पैंट रहेगी. साथ में आपको दुपट्टा मिलेगा. दुपट्टा इज ऑल्सो वेरी 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 लवली दुपट्टा. दिस इज द दुपट्टा. यू कैन सी इट्स अ लवली पीस. प्राइस 2200 रहेगा. एंड जो साइज रहेगा इसका मैं बता रही हूँ, 38 एंड 40 साइज है इसका. 38 एंड 40 साइज है इसका. 2200 इज द प्राइस फॉर दिस डिजाइन. ओके. नेक्स्ट रहेगा अगेन समथिंग वेरी सिमिलर टू व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग, बट इट इज मेड इन कॉटन. अगेन डजंट लुक लाइक दैट यू आर वेयरिंग अ कॉटन शर्ट. इट्स अ कंप्लीटली कॉटन के ऊपर सारी एम्ब्रॉयडरी, हकोवा का काम इस तरीके का पूरा किया हुआ है. एनीबडी हु इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग मैरिड और यू नो यू वांट टू वेयर समथिंग आफ्टर योर मैरिज, दिस कलर इज परफेक्ट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मरून इज अ कलर जो कि हर किसी के ऊपर अच्छा लगता है. सो दिस इज समथिंग यू कैन सी. दिस लुक्स वेरी गॉर्जियस. कॉटन, नॉन ट्रांसी, ऑल वेदर वेयर है. इट कम्स विद अ स्ट्रेट पैंट्स. This is the straight pant and pant has this kind of design, and the dupatta is also made out of cotton but completely designer. And this is so beautiful, I tell you. Look at the design. Even the dupatta has hakoba detailings in the border. Entire dupatta is having work. Full size dupatta is there. Sizes are available. Let me just tell you the price and the size. This is priced at 1750, I think. 1750 उसका price होएगा. 1750 is the price. Sizes are 40, 42 and 44. Okay, 40, 42 and 44 sizes are there for this. Next up I have a very beautiful white color suit जो हमारा बेस्ट सेलिंग पीस रहा है. तो इसको मैंने पहले भी दिखाया है, बट ये व्हाइट कलर जो है रीस्टॉक किया गया है ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द डिमांड. सो दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल व्हाइट कलर सूट. बहुत ही सिंपल, मिनिमलिस्टिक, सोबर, गॉर्जियस डिजाइन है. गले पे इस तरीके का काम रहेगा. सो ब्यूटिफुल. एंड इस तरीके की बॉर्डर रहेगी. साथ में हाथ में आपको इस तरीके का पूरा काम मिल रहा है. ठीक है, पूरा कटवर्क का डिजाइन मिल रहा है. इट कम्स विद अ स्ट्रेट पैंट. प्राइस एट 2000 ओनली. साइजेस आर 38 एंड 40. And it comes with a embroidered dupatta also. This embroidered dupatta has full embroidery on it. Just look at the detailing and look at the dupatta borders. 2000 rupees, 38 and 40 size. Screenshot ले सकते हो if you want to book this. Next up, I have another cotton design which doesn't look like cotton. Available sizes are 36 and 38. Color is a ice blue color. It is very beautiful, having a contrast embroidery in the center. All works looks like chikankari detailing, embellished with sequin, and this is a lovely contrast border made with cutwork style. ठीक है. It comes with the same color bottom. Bottom has same design with a chiffon dupatta. Sizes मैं दोबारा कंफर्म कर रही हूँ, प्राइस भी बता रही हूँ. 1750 is the price. Size is 36 and 38. Okay, 36 and 38. Next, last but not least, another suit I have. It's a lovely suit in color black. Again, something you can definitely wear in winters also. Made out of cotton. गले पे बहुत सुंदर काम है. यहाँ पे पूरा जरी का वर्क है. इस तरीके की डिटेलिंग रहेगी. हाथ में भी इस तरीके का काम रहेगा. दिस वुड बी द लुक. इसके बॉटम्स रहेंगे स्ट्रेट. इस तरीके का पैंट रहेगा. साथ में आपको दुपट्टा भी मिलेगा. दुपट्टा इज दिस. सी, कॉटन का दुपट्टा है. इस तरीके का पूरा जरी का बॉर्डर रहेगा. साइजेस आपको मिलेंगे 40, 42 एंड 44 साइज. 40, 42, 44. प्राइस वुड अगेन बी आई थिंक 1750 है. ऑलमोस्ट सेम कैटेगरी. 1650. 1650. 40, 42, 44. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. I have, like, shown you all the collection and I hope you like them. So do order. Thank you so much.